Hello and welcome to our podcast on the rise of AI in the workplace, how automation is changing jobs forever. I'm your host, and joining me today is Chatgpt, an AI language model who has been trained to answer a wide range of questions. Chatgpt, welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me. It's great to be here.
So, let's dive right in. AI is becoming more and more prevalent in the workplace, and many people are concerned about their jobs being automated. Can you give us a brief overview of how AI is being used in the workplace today?
Of course. AI is being used in many different ways in the workplace, from automating repetitive tasks to helping managers make better decisions. Some common examples of AI in the workplace include chatbots that can answer customer service inquiries, software that can automatically sort and analyze data, and even robots that can perform tasks such as assembling products or packing boxes in a warehouse.
That's really interesting. Can you give us some specific examples of how AI is changing different industries?
Sure. In healthcare, for example, AI is being used to analyze medical images and help diagnose diseases more quickly and accurately. In finance, AI is being used to detect fraud and make better investment decisions. And in manufacturing, AI is being used to optimize production and reduce waste.
It seems like AI has the potential to revolutionize many industries. But what about the people who are currently doing these jobs? Are they at risk of being replaced by machines?
Yes, there is certainly some risk involved. Any job that involves repetitive or predictable tasks is at risk of being automated. However, it's important to remember that AI is not a magic solution that can replace every job. There are many tasks that are still best performed by humans, such as tasks that require creativity, empathy, and critical thinking.
That's a great point. So, what can people do to future-proof their careers in the age of AI?
One of the most important things people can do is to develop skills that are difficult for machines to replicate. This might include skills such as creativity, critical thinking, problem-solving, and communication. It's also important to stay up to date on the latest technologies and trends in your industry, and to be open to learning new skills and adapting to new roles as they become available.
Those are some great tips. What about employers? What can they do to prepare for the rise of AI in the workplace?
Employers have an important role to play in preparing for the rise of AI. One thing they can do is to invest in training and reskilling programs for their employees so that they can adapt to new roles as they become available. They can also work to create a culture that values creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving, and that encourages employees to work collaboratively with AI systems rather than feeling threatened by them.
It's interesting to think about how AI can actually improve the workplace and make it a better place to work. Can you give us some examples of how AI can improve the employee experience?
Certainly. One example is in the area of employee scheduling. AI can be used to create more efficient and flexible schedules that take into account employee preferences and availability. This can help to reduce employee burnout and improve work-life balance. AI can also be used to help employees stay on top of their work by sending reminders and notifications, and to provide personalized learning and development opportunities that help employees grow and advance in their careers.
That's really fascinating. It seems like AI has the potential to make work more productive and enjoyable for everyone involved. But what about the ethical concerns surrounding AI in the workplace? Can you tell us more about that?
Yes, there are certainly ethical concerns to consider when it comes to AI in the workplace. One of the biggest concerns is the potential for bias in AI systems. If the data that AI systems are trained on is biased in some way, then the AI system itself can perpetuate that bias. This can have serious consequences for things like hiring and promotion decisions, and it's important for employers to be aware of this and work to mitigate it. Another ethical concern is the potential for AI to monitor and surveil employees in ways that are invasive or that violate their privacy. It's important for employers to be transparent about how AI is being used in the workplace, and to give employees the opportunity to provide feedback and raise concerns if they feel uncomfortable with certain uses of AI.
Those are definitely important considerations. Looking to the future, how do you see AI continuing to evolve in the workplace?
I think we can expect to see AI continue to be integrated into more and more aspects of the workplace. We'll likely see more AI systems that are able to handle complex tasks that were previously thought to be the exclusive domain of humans. We may also see new types of jobs and roles emerge that are focused on managing and working with AI systems. And, of course, as AI continues to evolve, we'll need to be vigilant about addressing the ethical concerns that arise along the way.
Well, it certainly seems like we're at the beginning of a major shift in the workplace. Thank you so much for joining us today and sharing your insights on this fascinating topic, Chatgpt.
Thank you for having me. It was a pleasure to be here.